Come learn psychology of Bhagavad Gita with me verse by verse. In the verses 21 to 25, it opens with a very, very important question that what if you knew that nothing could ever harm you? Not your critics, not your past, not your death, and nothing else could destroy you. How would that make you feel? So in this section, we see that Krishna is actually starting to now dismantle Arjun's fear piece by piece so that he can get a lot of clarity about what actually is. So Krishna goes on to say that the soul cannot be pierced by weapons, it cannot be burnt by fire, it cannot be wet by water. And so, if all of this is not going to affect the soul, then why be so bothered about the transient feeling? And the most important point that Krishna makes that just drives home is that the soul doesn't shake when the world is shaking, and the soul doesn't break when the body is breaking, because the soul is just is. Psychologically, what we can learn from it is that the fear of death is not because of inexistence, it's actually the fear of losing control. And in today's times, we often armor ourselves with our image, with the things that we can control, with the power, with the money, and all of that, because we're constantly trying to protect the fragile inner self that we think that we are. But here is where Krishna challenges that what if, in spite of all of this, you knew that your core was unshakable? You would, of course, then act with the strength from your core and not what is happening on the external. So, whenever you are afraid to take a risk, just dive in and ask yourself that why am I so obsessed with protecting something that is actually eternal? And I have started to base my life on this that sometimes safety is not really coming from having control of things, but it is in remembering that you're more than the moment that you're in right now. And if you're ready to start walking on a spiritual path, then follow me for more such videos where we will uncover Bhagavad Gita verse by verse.